Let's say you have a requirement that you want to run one particular method only once before executing any test. Similarly, you want to call one method only once after all the tests are done. So what I mean by that is, let's say there is a method called m1 and m2, and you have certain tests, test 1, test 2, test 3, so on. What you want is this method should get only called once. So we can say @before all. That's the annotation we will use. Then what will happen? This method will get called first before executing any test. And then this will get executed, then this will get executed, then this will get executed. But if you want, and you also want that after the last test has completed executing, you should call one another function which should be also executed. Hence, you have to make that function as after all. Then this method will be called and your program will terminate. So how is it different than before each and after each? So let's say this was the method with before each and after each. So this is after each and this is before each. So before each gets called first, then this gets executed, then this gets executed, then again this gets executed, then this gets executed, this gets executed, this gets executed, and again this. So remember, this methods gets executed after and before each test, but the before all and after all gets executed only once, before all the test and after all the test. That's why the name all. Another difference is we don't make this methods which is with before each or after each as static. We don't make them static. But this method which are called as before all or after all, they have to be made as static. Remember that we have to make this method as static with the before all and after all. This method and this method should be declared as static. That's the rule. So here we have before all annotation method. This will get only executed only once before all the test, and this method should be static declared. Similarly, after all method should be also static declared and it will get only executed once after all the test has done. So this is it for this video. Let's continue in the next one. Thank you.